welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Purebliss Organic Skincare. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on turmeric face mask. It is a simple home remedy that could be used to cure acne, black spots, eczema, or even under eye circles on the face. Turmeric has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory ingredients which could provide glow, lighten and brighten the face. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe, hit on the notification bell below so you'll be updated with every new video I make, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. So to make my turmeric mask, I'm going to be needing my turmeric powder, yogurt, half a lemon. I have already 2 spoons of yogurt. This is my turmeric mask, and for the application I'm going to be using my hand gloves and apply generously around the face. I've been using turmeric for some time now, and it has helped fight against black spots, discoloration and blackheads on my face. Turmeric can be very tricky, stains, so please endeavor to use hand gloves or maybe a brush. An old makeup brush can also be used to apply this mask. I'm going to be leaving this for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes I'm going to be washing this off. Oh, I look so scary right now. This is me after washing off my face. My face feels so fresh right now. This should be continued for best results.